going to learn about the grammar of kara nani nani nikakete. Kara nani nani nikakete is mean throw or from A to B. That when you use the grammar of kara nani nani nikakete, which means you take one town to another town, or one season to another season, or one situation to another situation. When you compare between two situations, between you will use the situation that happen, the event that happen between the point A to point B. Which point A and point B might be the season, the time, and how to use. In Japanese, when we will use the grammar of kara nani nani kakete, the first we start by the noun one, and followed by kara, and followed by noun two, and end by nikakete. So when you use the grammar of kara nani nani nikakete, which means you will put the first noun and the second noun between the kara and end by kakete, which means throw, or from point A to point B, or from noun 1 to noun 2. So the next, to make more understand about how to use the grammar of kara nani nani nikakete, we are going to see some example of how to use the grammar of kara nani nani nikakete. The first example, gogo kara yukata ni kakete hiru ne o shita. Gogo kara yukata ni kakete hiru ne o shita, which means I took a nap from evening until evening night. I took a nap from evening to until evening night. The next example, 明日は昼から夕方にかけて雨でしょう。明日は昼から夕方にかけて雨でしょう。Which means tomorrow it will rain from noon till late afternoon. Tomorrow it will rain from noon till late afternoon. Are you seeing here for the first sentence they will say gogo kara yukata ni kakete, which means you start from the point one is gogo, it means evening. Yukata is mean evening night. Evening is gogo is mean from 12 p.m. Yukata is from around 6 p.m. right? So 12 p.m. to until 6 p.m. around that, the situation is in that range. And hiru ne o shita, which means that he took a nap or he slept during that time, which starts from about 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. and he take is mean he or she took sleeping from that point. And for the second sentence, they say 明日は昼から夕方にかけて雨でしょう。Which means tomorrow, right? 明日 is mean tomorrow. 昼から夕方. Hiru is mean 12 p.m. Or we can say gogo, right? Hiru, which means 12 p.m. from. And yukata is mean night. It's about 6 o'clock or 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, around like that, which means yukata. So which means they will start from the around 2 p.m. or 12 p.m. until 9 p.m. So during that time, and it might be rain, amedesho, which means the rain might be rain in that range of the time. So in Japanese, you can use something like this to explain the situation that what happened in during that time. The next, 6月から4月にかけて日本は梅雨のシーズンです。6月から4月、7月にかけて日本は梅雨のシーズンです。Which means from June to July is Japan's rainy season. From June to July is Japan's rainy season. That means they say 6月から7月 which means start from June to July. In the during of that time is the rainy season in Japan. So you can use the grammar of nani nani kara nani nani ni kakete, and in that situation you explain next is what happened in the rank of that time. The next example, この服は春から夏にかけて多くの人に着られています。この服は昼から夏にかけて多くの人に着られています。Which means this clothing is worn by many people from spring to summer. This clothing is worn by many people from spring to summer. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。